Okay, this is my bike check. Let's start with the front. Got some Black Label forks that came with my bike when I originally bought it. Haven't changed them out yet because I really don't need to. I've got a Rhino Light front rim with compound tire. I've got Stollen Cell 8 bars with ODI long neck grips that are cut shorter. I've got a Black Label stem with the People reason frame. Some Black Label cranks, some Black Label pedals, a 25 tooth chain wheel, an Alex back rim. It just has the hub that comes with it, and a 9 tooth cassette back here. Currently I'm riding chainless. It's because I haven't put my chain back on because I'm too lazy. And then my seat is just a seat that comes off of a Specialized P20. Yeah, crappy plastic, but yeah, that's my bike. Weighs about 22.8 pounds, which is pretty light. It's not very dialed, but you know, it rides. It's a good bike.